inside your heart? Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, there's only a fear you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Litanolo, but you can call me Tlohi. I'm finally shooting my intro in a different city. Yay! I'm out of my room this time when I'm shooting my intro. Welcome back to another day of vlogmas. Yeah, we love vlogmas, right? Even though we're not doing vlogmas every day, like each and every day. I told you guys last year, or did I say it in Vlogtober? I'm going to participate in Vlogtober and Vlogmas as soon as I have a big following where I know that people will watch my videos every single day. Because for now, like, I know the views are not going to be viewing and I don't want to heartbreak myself more YouTube. Imagine. Anyway, don't you like my hair? Anyway, today is Thursday. I'm about to go to the mall. I'm gonna meet up with my cousins at the mall. I'm going with my sisters. My sisters are going to go like a silo. They don't want to stay home. So bad about the man, but nonetheless, it's quite a gloomy day. Like, I don't understand how to officer or hot donya, but it's very gloomy. Nonetheless, I speak so much. I'm going to mainland right now. I'm meet up with my cousins. It's my cousin's birthday today. I'm gonna get her a gift because tomorrow she's doing a dinner, and yeah, I heard that we're also gonna help her look for an outfit because she doesn't have an outfit, something like that. But yeah, come with me, friends. Let's go. But before we go, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Okay, and tell a friend, to tell a friend. Okay. Okay. Make the flip the green. Do these suit me? Comment down below if they suit me. If 5 people comment down below that these suit me, look at that lady. Oh gosh. If 5 people comment down below that these suit me, I'm gonna come back and buy them. How much are these first? I don't know. Oh, before I make promise, 70 rand. Comment down below. This is a nice figure. Cheers. We're so tired. We're not really guys. We're just so fed up at this point. The ghetto. One of those TLCs about next. Say yes to the dress. No, next. Nah. Nah. When I holla ski, let me pull up. Quarantine and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. What's good? What do you do? What's up? Clearly, I'm an OG YouTuber because Kelly Sweets. Yeah, that was her intro. Ooh, legally blonde. What? Legally blonde, honey. Talk to me nice. Okay, I'm running late. I need to take my sister to the dentist. To the dermatologist, and also go pick up my cousin's balloons because she's also running a bit late. So I'll catch you guys later. Okay.
Acting brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you get rich, get you both. Gave a Billy to LA and let that try to bump. Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her. She must ain't took a mix. Put around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me prayer. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor.
Subscribe so I can get money to buy, so I can be monetized. Subscribe. What did you find it?
Smoking on that gas, doing biggest color right. Just like to run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city.
Sweating. Bye guys, I'll see you guys at home when I'm done getting dressed because good in jail.
Do you that thing, that necklace? Is it this?
Oh yeah, the bracelet.
They said they sounded me.
They said H&M. I know of an influencer that said it was on sale at H&M.
Actually,
Really?
no, I just got the. Yes.
Yes. What is it called?
Bracelet. No, but like the name.
Did you say Foschini or H&M or not Olifant? Oh, 150. But I would like it in black. I'd like it in black.
All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is giving fish. When I seen that bed play, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain. But shit is not a joke.
Yeah, I know that's right. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Yes, it's gonna be in the big balloon. Okay, sharp. Ne, must we take black, ne? Alright. How many? 2, ne? Happy birthday. Bye. I'm gonna try and show you guys my outfit. I can show because kuningi, my phone is dying, and kuningi, but the girls are up. The girls are ready.
No, but I will be.
I know that's right. That's the spirit. That's all that's needed. I'm done. Basically, say Minandi ready go duga. I look fresh, man. I y'all scared to do how I do it. Like well made. Yeah. See, I'll go second location.
Second location.
I did.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas come looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dig a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches, where the niggas at? I'm tryna get my coochie scratched. Yeah, I'm tryna get my coochie stretched. Yeah, you know them dreadheads do it the best. Oh yeah, I like a nigga with a check. All my niggas give me that. You know I'm sexy, I'm the best. I'm the shit, little bitch, I'm that. You know I can't say his name, cause he be cheap. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah.